This is for my babies. My beautiful baby.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessing A Cartoon, and today in this video, guess what, I'll be sharing with you guys how to do Bantu knots using the rubber band method. If you're interested in this video, you definitely want to keep watching. So guys, as you all can see, I already parted my hair off camera and I'm ready to give you the tips and tricks on how to do Bantu knots. So keep watching. The first thing you want to do is to take your braiding hair and start braiding from the root until you get to an end step before you start twisting. The next thing you want to do after braiding to some extent is twist, then wrap it around, twist, then wrap it around. That is just the trick in making Bantu knots.
Almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go, even if you let go, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no, now you don't have to put on makeup, 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild on your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Beauty in the world is your smiling, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on high heels. You look good when you don't even try. You don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild on your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. Not to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love it's natural. This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you on heels. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, you're naturally my favorite, that's how it's gonna be, you and me.
So guys, this is the complete look. This is how my hair looks like, and also this is a very quick protective hairstyle. You can easily do yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Thanks so much for being here. Stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.